Hi everyone, my name is Yogesh and I am here. Today I am here to share something very personal and close to my heart. I was diagnosed with one of the rarest and rare anal stricture conditions. It was a very difficult phase of my life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. There were moments of fear, uncertainty and many unanswered questions. I honestly did not know if things would ever get better for me because quality of my life was become worse. That is when I came to Healing Hands Clinic and met Dr. Ashwin Porwal, and I can truly say that choosing this hospital turned out to the best decision of my life. The treatment I received here was nothing short of sort of a miracle for me. From accurate diagnosis to advanced treatment and continuous care, everything was handled with the highest level of professionalism and compassion. The doctors here are not just highly skilled; they are incredibly professional. They took time to explain me every step. Also, doctor answered all my questions patiently, and they gave me confidence when I needed it the most. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the entire medical team, especially to the doctors who treated me with such expertise and dedication. I also want to sincerely thank to the nursing staff, support staff, and everyone behind the scenes. Your kindness, positive attitude, and constant support made a huge difference in my recovery journey. And Today I am healthy, confident, and living my life normally. And all the credit goes to the Healing Hands Clinic, Dr. Ashwin Porwal, Dr. Abhishek, Dr. Leena, and what seemed impossible once has become possible because of you all. To anyone who is facing a complex or rare medical conditions, I would strongly say have faith and trust on Healing Hands Clinic. You are in safe hands here. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to the entire hospital team. You didn't just treated my condition, you gave me a new life. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Then we wanted to celebrate this because was a very, very rare case. I remember I had a child. I promised to be your yes. Good, thank you. I didn't expect it that this will happen. Thank you. But thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.